Hey team, welcome back. Today we are reading passage U, the rain. "Oh, you poor thing," said the old lady as she beckoned the wet cat inside. The rain had been coming down for over 2 hours, and it did not appear to be stopping any time soon. "Well, I do wonder why you were out there anyway," she muttered, to no one in particular. The cat was quiet. "You must want some food to warm you up then," she said. As she began to open the tin, the cat came alive, meowing furiously. Questions. Why did the lady beckon the cat inside? What is the lady's relationship with the cat? How do you know that? What is meant by poor as it is used in the text? What is meant by the word furiously as it is used in the text? Was it fortunate that the lady let the cat come inside? How do you know that? Why does the passage say she muttered to no one in particular? Why did the cat begin to meow? Now let's check the answers. Why did the lady beckon the cat inside? She beckoned the cat inside because it was raining and the cat was wet. What is the lady's relationship with the cat? How do you know that? We know that she's the cat's owner because she brings it inside and she feeds it with the cat food that she has in her house. What is meant by the term poor as it is used in the text? In this text, poor means unlucky or unfortunate, or we could say pitiful. What is meant by the word furiously as it is used in the text? In this text, the word furiously means a lot. The cat was meowing a lot. Was it fortunate that the lady let the cat come inside? How do you know that? We could say yes, because the rain did not appear to be stopping. So the cat would be stuck outside in the rain? Or we could say no, it wasn't fortunate because the cat had already gotten wet. Why does the passage say that she muttered to no one in particular? Well, we could say because the cat could not understand her, it's a cat. Or we could say because she was alone. It was just her and the cat at home. Why did the cat begin to meow? We could say because it was wet. We could say because it recognized its owner. And we could say because it wanted to come inside. All good answers. Thank you for your time. How did you go?